meet Ronnie. This is first day. Ronnie's in my home. And Ronnie is a 3-year-old male dog. He's been neutered. He's a very, very gentle, super mellow, very friendly dog. We just took him in today. And I can already hug him, touch him, and do anything to him. Flip him over. And he's great with any dogs and great with my son who's only 6 years old. Ronnie, sit. Good boy. Good boy. Wesley, come. We hope to find Ronnie a home soon because he's such a good boy. Wesley, can you come sit over here? Okay, come sit over here. This side. Yeah. Ronnie's such a good boy, right? So relaxed. He's going to be such an easy to handle dog. And he's going to do well with any family. And he's even great with cats.